Hey, what's up guys? Stefan here from Project Life Mastery. I'm outside my home here in Panama that's currently being built. This is a video to update you guys and share the progress of the current state of the home. The last video I did was about 7 months ago, so there's been a lot of progress since then. Still a bit more to go. Still maybe a few months away. The developers will deliver to us hopefully in the next 2 months. But then we're also working with our interior designer to do a lot of additional work as well. So it's a very big project, a lot of details involved in it, but we're getting closer and closer and closer. So this video is going to be a tour. The previous videos I did, I'll link in the description, showing the very beginning when this was just an empty lot and we first kind of initiated this process to start this project. And the last video I did about 7 months ago or so. I'll link those below because I don't want to be too repetitive and explain a lot of the same things. So check out those videos. With that being said, let me give you guys a tour. All right, so here's the front of the house. Here's our driveway. We're actually gonna put some extra parking stalls right here in the front of the yard because we don't really need that big of a front yard. But we got a 3-car garage. They just started putting in the garage doors. Right now we're doing some planning around the landscaping. So all of this here, we're gonna do a lot of plants and greenery. Still need our front door. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, they've now put in the floors. Got windows. And we're right on the beach here, so they're gonna be cleaning up those trees that you see out there and everything, but we're right beachfront. You can see our pool here. That's just rainwater. They're gonna be working on the pool soon. Right here, we're gonna be putting a little palm tree. That's our guest house over there. As you can see, we got the bridge up that connects to the rooftop area of the guest house. Let me show you guys over here. So the pool wraps around the guest house. You can see the ocean right there. Right here, you gotta watch out. This is for the cold plunge. So there'll be a cold plunge in there to dive into. Got the hot tub right there. Got a pretty big front yard before we go over to the beach. So a lot of landscaping will be done here, palm trees, different plants and everything. Right here is gonna be an outdoor shower. Entrance right over there as well. There's an infrared sauna that we're gonna put in there. Right up there's the master bedroom. It's gonna be a railing for a bit of a balcony there. We still gotta put up the railings up here as well. Here is for cameras and different lighting that we're going to be having. I'll show you guys the guest house here real quick. So right here is going to be a kitchen. Right here is going to be a home theater area, couch. Over here, a bed. Probably put a desk here as well, so great place to do some work. And then here we got the bathroom, and then the infrared sauna will be in there as well. Okay, let's go into the main house. Actually, I'll show you guys the rooftop first. Okay, here we go. Beautiful view of the ocean. They actually recently put up these kind of dune areas here because the tide was coming in quite high. Our property has actually got quite a distance between the beach versus other homes are much closer to the beach. But in this case, I think it's a little bit better just in case if the tide does come in or whatever, we don't really have to worry about that too much. So these are our neighbors right here. So they're gonna be finished around the same time as well. But beautiful ocean, beautiful beach. So up here is gonna be a barbecue area, pizza oven. This bridge goes to the games room. I'm not gonna cross it because there's no railings yet. So we'll go back down. Here's the living room area, foyer, dining room, kitchen. They started doing the cabinets. This is the bar area, island. So there's going to be a lot of woodwork that's being done in this home. Got a bunch of pantries. This is our chef's kitchen. And then over here is some storage underneath the stairs. This is the laundry room. And here is the maid's quarters, bathroom, and then that goes out to the garage. There's gonna be some closet space here as well. This is a tech room for all the technology type stuff. The ceiling, we're doing some in-ceiling woodwork and everything up there. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, so up here, there's gonna be a lot of woodwork and I got like a desk area, TV area, all that up here. This is kind of like a lounge area. If we go down here, this is a walk-in closet, master bedroom. So beautiful view of the ocean and the palm trees and everything. Here we've got the master bathroom. So they put all the tiles on the walls and everything now. Here we got the games room. This is where our home theater is gonna be as well. So we got some cloud couches. They're gonna be coming here and everything. Surround sound system and all that. Get some arcade machines here. This is gonna be kind of like a bar area where there's gonna be, mini fridge and all that kind of stuff. There's a bathroom over there. So a lot of progress has been made, but still a lot of details still yet to occur. This is just the bare basics. There's been a lot of work, a lot of decisions involved in everything. Here we've got the nursery. So this is gonna be Lucas's room. And then here we've got a bathroom. Looks like they're just getting the bathtub and putting all this together here. Here's another bedroom. Another closet area. And then this is the granny's room. This is just above the garage. This is actually quite a big space here. Might put in a pool table here or something. You still got to do the balcony railings and whatnot. All right, guys, there you have it. That's the current state of the progress of the home. As you can see, there's been a lot done so far. Still a ways to go, a lot of details now at this point. So I'm really excited to share with you guys the next video, which will be the final video, probably in a couple months from now. Everything will be complete. All of our furniture will be moved into the house, and of course, we'll be living in it as well. So that's when the dream becomes a reality. If you guys want to check out the previous videos I did sharing the very beginnings of this, I'll link those below for you guys in the description. Otherwise, hopefully this can inspire you guys, show you what's possible for yourself in your life. It all starts with your imagination, with a dream, with a vision, focusing on that every single day, and then of course taking action to turn that into a reality. So everything is possible. I wish you guys well. God bless you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.